Hello, my people. Now inside Ghana, this one for the happen. So, this group of boys don't go take spiritual power, make bullet no penetrate enter their body. Now there they can't go inside bush. They can't they do video. They talk. They talk many things. So they talk as if they pain them. Now they can't talk say they won't try the power make everybody see. And there they can't cock gun, can't shoot one of their friend. Oh man, I saw this guy take fall down, die you. Make una see the video. Una hear as the boy take shout Jesus. You never they shout Jesus. Now you can't no say Jesus day. When you go they seek for protection somewhere else, you no say Jesus day. Now mama born this one oh. Now mama na carry this one 9 months for belle. Born we carry her life. Play joke so. Now there people come they write many things. They come out on social media. Now some people come they talk say this one a foolish case. Say police no even need to investigate this one. Say this one now just rubbish case. Some people they talk say na set up the friends they plan and kill them. When some people they talk say they're supposed to go arrest the malam where they do the juju for them. When me they talk my own, they talk say this one no be any foolish case. This one a serious crime. Because these boys where they go they do juju for protection. Nobody know wetin dey their mind wey make them go they do the juju for protection. Nobody know wetin they want take and do. The plan where they want execute with this protection, nobody know. And also, the gun where they take, they test this juju. Nobody know whether this gun na license gun or no be license gun. So for that, me and the talk say, police need to investigate this case. Papa. Anyway, I trust Ghana police. As I'm talking to you right now, they don't already arrest one of them. I know say at the end of it, they go get the remaining of them. Now wetin happen though? As I see this thing now, I say this kind one, no be something where they go see. Keep quiet. I go bring and come for now. As I don't already promise, when I say anything where they happen for social media, all the Aproko gist where they happen for social media and all over the world, I go they bring and come for now. Now so I take see this one where I say, make I bring and come, make una follow me see am. Keep watching.